Want to add teeth whitening effects to your photos using Lensa? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple and easy, so let's get right into it. Now first up, launch your Lensa app. And once you're there, you can add your photo by using this plus icon right here. And once you've imported your photo, you should be prompted with this page right here, where you can freely edit your image. Now once you're there, on the bottom right here, just simply scroll to the right side until you see looks. Just simply click on it. And you got various options to choose from right here. But since we need teeth whitening, it's on the third line right here. Just adjust the slider to the right side for more whitening. And as you can see in the image as well, the teeth has become whiter. You can also preview it by holding this button right here. As you can see, the teeth has been whitened and so much better. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.